Here we are, guys. It is my bacon, egg, and cheese on toast with an avocado spread that I made. This is so good. I made it's the avocados. I cut up some onions and tomatoes, put a little lemon juice, and sprinkle some seasoning. Mixed it all up. I have a bowl prepared in the fridge because I do it once a week to have readily available avocados cut up for salads and sandwiches, but then I also make a spread sometimes when I'm in the mood. So this will be my breakfast this morning. I'm going to have it with some cranberry juice and a banana. So that's my breakfast. Just wanted to show you guys what I'm having. I'm going to go ahead and put this sandwich together. Bon appetit. Guys, it is snowing outside. It's currently 31 degrees. And this is actually my third time out today clearing off my car. I don't like for it to get too much snow accumulated on the car, because whenever it does, the snow gets really, really heavy and it's harder to get off. So I rather keep coming out in shifts and getting it cleared off. So as you can see, one of my neighbors just came by looking for an opening spot. I'm moving, actually. What I'm doing now is moving closer to my steps. I'm officially backed into this spot now. Just warming up a bit before I get back out into it. Flip the camera around so we can chit chat. 1 second. Okay, guys, here I am. Buried under all this. I already took my hat and scarf off. I just got my hair tied up from bed last night. It's still tied up. And I just got one big plait in on my hair, and then I rolled it up and put this thing on it. It's very heavy. Very, very heavy. Very heavy. Shoot, it hurts, actually. Sometimes I get a headache from having the ponytails or the buns, and so I have to loosen that thing up. And so when I sleep at night, I'm like rolling all over my hair, and it's annoying. So I tie it up in a big old plait and twist it up and do this, and that normally helps. But I do got a hat here for myself, but I had to take all of that off because I'm almost suffocating here, guys. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like in New Jersey right now. The snow is coming down. I'm just letting my car run for a bit. It's a good practice to do that. When it's really cold, we're snowing and stuff like that out, good practice is to let your car run 10-15 minutes. So whenever I come out here to dust the snow off, I let it run for a while. We are expecting at least 6 inches. I'm gonna go inside and check the news and see when is it gonna stop. The last time I checked, it was gonna stop at 10 p.m. and it's now 2:05 p.m. So we still got another 8 hours. So I'm sure I'll be out here a few more times, but I figured I would bring you guys out in the daytime so you can really see what's going on around me. So I'm about to step out of the car and go back in, and I'm gonna let you guys just see everything around. One moment. Okay, guys, we're getting out. That's the ground. I'm trying to show you the curb. You can see that's the street here, and getting pretty high. Okay, that's what it's looking like in the neighborhood, guys. That's the actual pond there. Then it's the lake across. And then the pool is already covered and stuff for the season, you know, but just showing you. I'm trying to be careful as I step and just show you what it's looking like around here. You can see the tire tracks barely. They haven't plowed yet. Still early. They normally wait until it's a little later and start the plowing. They normally come early in the morning, which they have already come this morning because this started at 4 a.m. But now it's 2 in the afternoon, so this is how much more that's already accumulated. And again, we still got another 8 hours of this stuff, so trying to zoom in so you guys can see better. This is for anybody who always say they want to see snow or they don't get snow where they live. Welcome to my world, because we get lots of it. So, trying to be careful while I'm stepping. One last glance before I head in, guys. Oh no, my lights are still on. I gotta go back off and get my lights off. Oh, Jesus. You kidding me? Yeah, I gotta go get them off, guys. So here's a truck actually coming down the street. So it's good to have the SUVs and the 4 or all-wheel drive. Oh, we about to head back out there, because I gotta get those lights off. I'll chat with you when I get inside, guys.
Snowstorm that is steady snow in Philadelphia and Trenton, and you can see it's much lighter at the shore. We just noticed this. We see some moisture being drawn in. That's going to lead to some higher snow rates at the shore in the next several hours. For now, it's a snowy scene in Philadelphia and Valley Forge. Camelback is getting some snow, and it's a light, dreary snow that's coming down at Cape May that's reflected in the visibility. You get heavier snow, you get lower visibility. It's not bad at all in Wildwood. City, but go inland and you see half a mile visibility for Trenton, Northeast Philadelphia, Philadelphia International. That is some steady snow, and now half a mile in Allentown. We're running at the airport for half a mile. Well, during the day today, from now until 3 o'clock mid-afternoon, steady accumulating snow. You'll definitely need to break out the shovels later today, but there will still be a few snow showers in the pipeline between 4 to 7. By 8 o'clock, after final shutdown, it's over.
So here we are. Lunches are packed for the next 2 days. Going back today on a Thursday, and I'll be working all the way through, not this Sunday coming, but the following Sunday without a day off. So I'll be going 10 days straight. So I decided when I work like this, I'm going to pack 2 days at a time of their lunches or maybe their dinners for childcare. So it makes it a little easier on me because we get in after 11 p.m. and I want to hurry up and get them off the bed and not have to deal with this part. So I'm going to do it every other day. So I'm going to pack 5 times for the next week. So right here, for one of their meals. We have their drinks, we have their sandwiches, we have some apple pie puffs. I showed you guys this in the past where I picked them up from Sam's Club, and they are absolutely amazing. Not too sweet, a hint of the cinnamon and apple taste with a puff. Amazing. And then they each got Mott's applesauce here for the following day. They have their drinks, their sandwiches. I packaged up some cookies, and the way I do their cookies is when I buy the big packages from like Walmart or ShopRite or um, Aldi or something like that. I put them in snack bags, and I put them in according to the size that you would get if you purchase cookies. So when you get the individually wrapped, you normally get like 4 to 6 cookies. So I give 6 in each. I normally go by the serving size on the packages. I don't know. I'm kind of anal, but that's what I do. And then they each got Go-Gurt for that day as well. Like to give them 2 snacks, a sandwich, or 2 sandwiches if they ask, and Kool-Aid jammers. Lately, they've been telling me that it's too much with the 2 sandwiches, and I know it's true because it's evidenced by when they bring their lunch bags back. They always have an extra sandwich, so I'm kind of cutting back now. But this is their lunches for the next 2 days, guys.